Sharon pays $152 for 10 square meters of carpet. How much would 13 square meters cost? We're going to assume a direct proportion situation. That is, we're going to assume that each square meter of carpet costs exactly the same. We're given that 10 square meters costs $152. Dividing by 10 tells us that 1 square meter costs $15.20. So to get 13 square meters, we need to multiply by 13, giving us $197.60. Now consider the number of square meters of carpet and the cost. 1 square meter costs $15.20. 2 square meters, $30.40, and so on. Let's call the number of square meters A for area, and the cost, let's call it C. C would be equal to 15.2 times A. This is a direct proportion formula with the constant of proportionality equal to 15.2.